Mindfulness-Based Stress Reduction, MBSR, is an 8-week course that was developed in 1979 by John Kabat-Zinn. MBSR has undergone 40 years of extensive research to prove its helpfulness for participants suffering with chronic pain, sleep disorders, depression, anxiety, PTSD symptoms, substance use patterns, chronic fatigue, diabetes, and gastrointestinal concerns, just to name a few. Mindful meditation is the basis and the foundation of this course. MBSR was designed to teach participants how to integrate mindfulness into their day-to-day experiences, allowing them to ride the wave of the many challenges and stresses that life might present us with. John Kabat-Zinn describes mindfulness as falling awake to what's happening in the here and the now, and bringing a curiosity to your experience with whatever you find right then. Whether experiencing your children, a beautiful flower, or a painful experience, mindful intention encourages us to be present for all that life offers, no matter if the mind deems it pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. The course itself is highly experiential, which means about 2/3 of the time together, we'll be practicing mindfulness techniques. All the classes will include portions of practice, teaching, and small group discussions related to that week's topic. Some topics are stress, our relationship with those stressors, our reactivity patterns, mindful communication patterns, and some of our habitual or automatic patterns. This is not group therapy, and really it'll only involve sharing to the level that one's comfortable with. I should let you know there are risks and benefits to participating. Some things that I might mention might indicate taking the course at a later time might be more effective for you. If you're actively struggling with a substance use or addictive pattern, untreated psychosis or hallucinations. If you're in the midst of a major depressive episode, although this can be very helpful for mild to moderate depression, sometimes the major depression symptoms will get in the way of practice. Involved in active trauma work with a therapist, or if you've very recently experienced some sort of traumatic event or loss. However, some of the reported benefits to attending and practicing the skills taught in the course are: people report increased focus, increased attentional awareness, increased concentration. Many report a quieter mind, as though the radio itself was turned down in the background. Maybe they have a sense of balance, enhancing their well-being. New ways to effectively cope with their conditions, difficulties, pain, or suffering that life throws at them, and learning to listen to the signals of their body and ways to better care for yourself. If you're interested, please join me by filling out a self-referral form and just indicating that you're interested in MBSR. Hope to see you in class.